Trendsend. That's what today's video is about. Trendsend is a style box that comes from the store Evereve, and the stylists that put together these boxes actually work at the stores. So I've actually met my stylist now. I went in when they were having a style social. It was an open style social, and I mentioned in my last video that I might be looking into host a style social once we're not all quarantined, so it might be a while before we do that. But I went in for an open style social and it was so much fun. So it was awesome. I got to meet my stylist and I picked out a couple items, and then she would pick out some things that would go with it, and then I would try stuff on and show it to her, and then she'd go pull some more pieces based off of what she's seen me on. We decided that I can rock a jumpsuit, so that's cool. I'm a jumpsuit. This morning I told my husband, I said, listen man, I'm gonna start wearing some jumpsuits and I'm excited about it, and deal with it. I don't think he had a problem with it, and it was kind of a weird thing, but that's what I told him. So anyways, I'll show you guys just a couple of pieces that I got from that style session. I wanted to buy all the things, but my budget was limited. But about the style social, real quick guys, it is basically, if I were to host one, I'd get to meet some of you, which is awesome, and a couple of you have expressed interest in that. Plus, everybody that attends get 15% off. Plus, you know, you got stylists picking stuff out for you, and we can all, you know, see each other try stuff on and make comments and just have a blast. So I'm really hopeful to do that, you know, against once things blow over sickness-wise. So anyways, I'll show you a couple pieces I got from that, but let's dig right into the Trendsend, where they send you 2 to 3 fully style outfits, which is why I love this service. And now my stylist since I met her and actually went into the store, she could see my body type, she could see the fact that everything is huge on me, which sucks for her because she has to try to find stuff that fits me. And you know, and she just got to see more of my style. So I saw Evereve was having a sale, which I always try to time it with a sale, and had her send me a box. So super pumped about that. All right, if my hair and makeup look considerably worse than it did just a second ago for you guys, that's because I just got done with a 2-hour nap. My husband came home, we ate a meal together, and we took a nap. So, okay, so anyways, I was about to dig into this box before my little nap hiatus. So first of all, the stylist that I met, she was not able to style me just with everything being shut down with the virus. And even the Evereve store is shut down right now for at least a couple of weeks. We'll see what happens at the end of these couple of weeks. So, but Megan C, she has styled me before as well, so I am still super excited to see what's in here. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's go in, get the top bundle here, and then let's grab actually both of these out. Ooh, I might see a white jean jacket. Okay. Well, okay, let's start with that. I saw a piece and I'm excited about it. I mean, I already have a white jean jacket, but still excited about it. Okay, so here we have by Sundry. It is a tank, kind of a rib type tank, but a nice flowy tank, and I love the coral color of it. I think that's a really, really pretty spring color, and goes with a, ooh, this is nice. This is soft. Oh, this is so soft. This is kind of a casual animal print, black and gray, has pockets. It's a skirt with a drawstring waist on it, and I think that is super cute. It feels super soft. This is nice. Also Sundry. And then last we have, this is cut by the cloth, and it is a white jean jacket, and they have, she like pre-rolled the sleeves on it. So I'm excited. It feels nice and soft and stretchy. I like it a lot. So we'll see how this fits. I got a white jean jacket from Macy's, I want I think they were having some great sales and I got one there. But we'll try this on in case, you know, maybe I want to. Who knows? Okay, so outfit 1, I love this. I'm really excited to get this on. Outfit number 2. Okay, starting at the top, we have a tie-dye, which is apparently a big thing right now. A casual tie-dye, just a navy and white. It does have kind of the bar on the back. This is Pant Jensen, and I like that it has kind of this gathered waist to it. So I really like that. I'm not quite sure if this is considered dolman. I mean, it looks pretty wide and boxy, but I think it's supposed to be pretty slouchy. So I think it's really cute though. I like it. Next up, ooh, what are you? Are you like a dress or something? No, just a big flowy shirt. This is by Free People, and it's nice and like it's really thick actually. And it's white, it's got balloon sleeves to it, and kind of this flowy bottom, and buttons down the front. So that looks cute, it looks big. What size are you? It's an extra small, so it's probably meant to be flowy. And then we have something green. We have by Sanctuary these green pants, kind of a jogger type maybe, because it's got some elastic here. So I think that's a jogger type. So I'm excited to try these. I really like these outfits. These are fun. So really great box. I have just been loving Trendsend recently. If you guys are interested in trying it, by the way, you can use my referral link below, and right now I think they have where you can get your first box for just $1 styling fee, and then using my link below will get both you 20% off and me 20% off. So yay! All right, so we'll get both of these outfits on, and then I'll throw on also a couple of the other pieces that I got when I was at the Every Eve store, and we'll come back and chat prices and stuff and decide what to keep. Okay, so first outfit, and I've got the tank jacket and skirt on, and I kind of love it. I think it's just a cute, I love the, you know, the pop of color here. It's a nice casual outfit. I think it's super cute. Really happy with this outfit. I'll individually, the pieces, the jacket actually fits pretty well. Now, I haven't unrolled the sleeves because I just don't really want to mess with it. I'm assuming that they're going to be quite long if they rolled it up for me. Okay, here it is with it completely rolled down. So it is a bit long, but as they showed, you know, you can definitely roll it up. And see, I shouldn't have done that because now I don't know how they did that. Oh, I think I figured it out. All right, so anyways, while I finagle this, you get the point. Whatever, we'll leave it. Anyways, I like it. I do always wish this type of jacket was a petite because you do have extra room here in the shoulders, but it's actually not bad at all. I think it fits pretty darn well. So really happy with that. The tank is cute. It's very, very comfortable. It's very, very long. So just to show you guys this. I honestly put it on and was like, I could almost wear this as a dress. So it is very long, but tucked in, it's super cute. You know, actually, how does it tie? Let's try that. Because I just don't, I mean, I didn't like that when I tucked it in, it was like, you know, it didn't lay completely flat, and so I felt like it gave me some ripples there in the skirt. So let's give it a big old fat, I mean, it's a huge tie, but a big old tie. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay. So I like it, and I love the color of it, and I think it works. The skirt, so comfy. So comfy. I just view this as like a great, just casual spring, summer skirt that I throw on to go wherever people go in the summer. I don't know. It's been winter for so long, I don't remember. So anyway, okay, so first outfit, love it. Let's move to the next one. Okay, the second outfit had two different tops to it. So the first top here is very flowy, if you will, very kind of boho, romantic-y type thing. Let's try like a little tuck or something to see how that looks. Not good. I'd have to do, no, I don't think this is a tuck shirt. I think it's way too flowy for that. So, okay, so we wear it out like this. Now, I am not a balloon sleeve person, and so this is, even though this is super comfortable and flowy, and I feel like I want to twirl in it. Let's twirl. It's just not really my thing. Now, the pants are comfortable. I'm not quite sure if they were supposed to be full length, but they are on me. And so I had thought they were going to be like jogger. Actually, could I pull it up and jogger it? I think I could. I may need to go out to their website to see how they wore it there. So I think they're meant to be joggers, and I'm just super short that I have to like pull it up quite a bit to jogger it. I also have tiny calves, a tiny calfed woman. So I don't know. I think they just don't fit me necessarily the way they were intended to. So, okay. All right, tie-dye shirt is last. Okay, so here's the tie-dye shirt with the pant. I do like kind of the band here at the bottom. It's not, I don't know if it's really a dolman. It's kind of more of just like an oversized, I think. And it's comfy. And here's the back. I haven't looked at it, but I know what a bar back looks. So it's cute, it's comfy. It's almost too lightweight for me. I think I want, and it is very lightweight, but I want my casual wear to be a little bit thicker. Because I'm cold. I'm always cold. You guys have heard this. So it's okay. I like it. Alright, so next I want to show you guys a couple of the pieces that I got at Style Social. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on real quick. Okay, so this first piece I fell in love with. Now, the one shoulder thing. I hate cold shoulders. I've always hated them from day one. It's like, why are your shoulders sticking out? What's happening here? Did they run out of fabric? That's how I feel about cold shoulders. But for some reason, when it's one shoulder, I'm like, oh, that's cute. That's real cute. I don't get it either. So probably I'm going to hate this someday, but for right now, I love it. So the color of it, so it's got a little bit of sparkle to it. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not sure if you can or not. And I love kind of the dusty rose color to it. I think it's just beautiful. I love it with a green top. When I was in the store, they had me try it on with a pair of camel pants, and I was just like, it's fabulous. So really, really like this. I just think it's so cute. I like the one shoulder. It's got a kind of a slight slouchiness to it without being huge and oversized, and I'm just obsessed with it. So I've worn it a couple times, and I'm just super obsessed with it. So yeah, okay, next piece. Okay, I wanted to give full effect of this jumpsuit. Now the jacket did not come with it, but it obviously looks better with a jacket. There's Frank. Frank, say hi to the camera. Hi, buddy. The jacket it's not something I picked up. In fact, there was a kind of tannish, very lightly tie-dyed jacket that I tried on with a lot of different things. Go to my Instagram. I took tons of pictures from when I was there, and you can see that. And I think that worked a little bit better with it. But this works for now. So the jumpsuit, though. The jumpsuit is the piece I'm highlighting here. So I love it. I'm a jumpsuit girl now. It fits super great. Just fits me like a glove. It's a shorter one and actually has a little bit of ruching here on the side. And I think it's super cute. I really, really like it. And it's got a tie waist, which I like. It is strapless, but most likely I'd be wearing a jacket over it. So I'm still wearing a brassiere regular bra with it. But I think it's really, really cute. Now, jewelry. I did get a couple pieces of jewelry there as well. One was these earrings, and they're like a leathery type material. And look at that sparkle. It was really, really pretty. And then this layered necklace, and I thought it looked really, really cute with a lot of jackets that I had tried on. So those came home with me as well. So yay, Style Social. But What about this jumpsuit? I really love this jumpsuit. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it. So, okay, let's do prices and recap everything as far as the pieces that actually came in the Trendsend box. Guys, I am exhausted. I've filmed about 5 videos today, so I'm a little exhausted. All right, let's go through prices of things. Okay, this is this strappy rib tank by Washed Red, and it is $17.99. So that's a great price for this. It just was so long. So I mean, tying it was okay, and I love the color of it, and I like the shape of it. You know, it's kind of a unique shape. It's not one that I would wear without something over it, because it has this, it definitely had some side boob, side bra on it. So I don't know. I'm probably not gonna keep that. Then we have the white Amelia denim jacket by the Cloth, and the brand of that tank was Sundry, by the way. I read you the color. Okay, so the jacket is $80.10. So I do like this jacket a lot, and it's more comfortable than the jacket I have, but I already have a white denim jacket, so I really don't need it. But I'm really happy they sent it. It was a great outfit to try on, so I'm not gonna keep that, but only because I already have it. Otherwise, I guarantee you I would have kept that. Now this skirt. I really like this. I hope this is affordable. This is the leopard pocket skirt, and it is by Sundry again, and it is $57.60. And I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping this. Trendsend, I didn't mention anything really about the service other than they do send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. There is normally a $20 styling fee, which does get applied to whatever you purchase. Again, if you use my link below, I think you get it for $1, and then you get 20% off your first box. So that's pretty cool. So anyways, I'm really thinking about this one. We'll stick this in my lap. Then we have this Demin top, and this is by Free People. It's $62.99. It is big, it is flowy, it is boho, it is not Jen, so I am not going to keep that, but it was great quality. I can't say enough about that. Then we have the Gemma tie-dye top, and is by Pant. Jensen is $52.20. I do like this top, but I think it's just, I don't want to pay 50 bucks for it. So I like it, but I wasn't like that much in love with it, so I don't think I'm going to be keeping that. Then we have the Sanctuary. This is the Formation crop pant, and it is $89.10. And I liked it. I think it was meant for somebody taller than me, and so like the jogger aspect to it that I think it was supposed to have doesn't quite work right on me. I like them. I don't really have green pants like these, so, but I don't know. I just don't think I love them enough to justify 90 bucks on something I'm not completely in love with. So I think winner is the skirt. Super cute, I love the cute casual look of it. There, see the gray and the black, and I think that's super cute. So I'm very happy to have this, and there we go. That's my box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Again, I will keep you posted as hopefully things blow over with the virus and I can host a style social, because I think it would be so much fun to do. So I'll keep you posted, and thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.